So it's a Wednesday night and I'm just out for a run, so I'm heading down to Largs. I'm not too far away from there just now. Well, that was quite easy to get out of there. I'm amazed. Thought it'd be busier. Nope, turn the indicator off, that helps. Yeah, I picked the wrong time of day to leave my house to come here. I just caught all the rush hour traffic. Back, I'm not in a rush. I avoided that drain cover there. I remember hitting that last time. Although actually this is the first time I've been down here with my GoPro. So breaking in the GoPro as if Applecross didn't break it in. It works, shall we say. Footage is really great, so really pleased with it. My motovlogging skills, okay, maybe not the best, but I'll try harder. Awesome. There we go, getting closer to Largs. What an absolute asshole in that BMW there. Motorcycle coming straight towards him, he cuts out and overtakes the boat and the cyclist. So here we go, this is the first time on the Old Greenock Road in a while. Oh, okay, the last time I was there I was talking about which GoPro I was going to get, I think. And I also reviewed this bike on that day. I think it was back in March, when the weather wasn't as warm as it is now. Although in all fairness, I thought I would have been riding a lot more than I have been, but just with work and other stuff, gets in the road sometimes. But that's been 8 days actually since I've been out at all on a bike. Been out obviously. Complaining it's too warm, like the best of us. So this all looks very different from March. It's a lot more overgrown at the roadside, so I'll be taking it easy. Not that I ever hammer it anywhere, to be fair, although I found myself hammering it on the Applecross strip. So the MT125 is parked up just now. It's done, I think, maybe 50 miles since Applecross. I've took it out twice, and both times I had to bump start it. Battery completely dead, like no dash lights or anything. I just don't remember this road being as narrow as this. I'm hoping it's not a very busy road in this day and age, since there is more modern roads to go. A few people have told me not to bother going this road, it's terrible. But when you're on a small cc bike, roads like this are ideal. What are the chances of that? This road will be closed as of tomorrow. So glad I made that tonight and not yet tomorrow. It's just a spur of the moment run. Oh, this road is pretty smooth, man. Pretty smooth. Oh, stand up for this bit. Although that felt a bit weird. I think that's the first time I've ever stood up on this bike while moving. The MT feels quite natural standing up. This feels quite alien, shall we say. Oh, why is that? Oh, low bars, higher pegs. Oh God, nearly fell over. Utter silence. Oh, shut up, little squeaky bird. You just broke the silence. Sometimes this is just what you need. So a little walk. Once you've parked your bike, and just stand back and look at what you've arrived on. She may not be much to some folk, but I love this wee bike. I love my MT as well, but I think I just love this that little bit more.